Your exam is knocking at the door. What will be your final preparation for IIT, JEE and GATE? Hello friends, welcome to our channel Techno Plus. Here we never talk about speed and feeds, like, share, comment, subscribe. We never talk this kind of stuff. We talk about how can we enrich you in your life through technology. That's our motto. That's why today we come up with this topic. Only few months left for your this big exam, and in this time what will be your final preparation, and from where will you get free video and audio classes, and what that thing that make a major difference in your exam. That's our today's topic. Let's go and check this out. Now we will talk about two best of the best app which can prepare you for your exam. Now go to your Play Store and type on the search bar Moducation. Click on the first option and install it. The link of this app also given in our description box. You can download it also from there. Vision complete. Now click on open. Now you have to fill up this form and press enter. We are skipping the process and you get this interface of this app. Here you get three options: engineering entrance, medical entrance and CBSE. I press on engineering. Here you also get three droppers: 12 studying, 11 studying. I'm click on 12 studying, and now many options are given here. First, progress report. Second, aim learning. Third, test papers. Fourth, analytical reports. Fifth, attempt history. And last but not the least, settings. We'll talk about aim learning. In aim learning there are many options available, you can see, but the fourth option is lecture. We clicked on here. Here you get one option, CBSE. We clicked on here, and language Hindi. Don't worry about this, I will give you another option where you get the English language as well. Here you got three options: chemistry, math, physics. I click on physics, and you get this content. This content you can see. The first option, physical world and measurement. I clicked on it, and here you can see many topics are available here. The first topic, I clicked on it, and it's showing a video lecture, and it directly takes you to YouTube, and you can see all these video lecture for free.
यानी भविष्यवाणी करते और वो
Now press back. Now we will see the second option, NTA, and you can see many options available here. Same as before, you can use the same process. Now third option, recommended, no video available here. On the up and left side, these three dots, I clicked on here, and the second option, test paper. Now I clicked on here. You can see so many test papers are available, previous year test papers, AITS, CBSE, and now I clicked on aim learning. Here you get lectures, suggestions. Now it's time for our second app. Go to your Play Store and now type on your search bar NDL, National Digital Library of India. First option you get, click on it and install it. The link of this app also given in our description box. You can download it also from there. This app is created by IIT Kharagpur and authorized by Ministry of Human Resource Development. The second option you get, learning resource type. Here you get look video lecture. I click on it, and now I click on the search option JEE, and now press on the search, and it's showing all the results as per your topic, and all the topics are available in English and Hindi. And I clicked on the first option. You can download any topic for free. Now we'll go to audio lecture. It's same as the earlier one, and you can also download any topic for free. press back, and now we'll go to our third option, featured source. Here you can see the first option, IIT JEE. If you click on here, you get the previous test paper and the suggestion. Number 2, GATE. It's same as IIT, previous test paper and suggestions. Most important thing of this app, if you have any query about your studies, you can directly contact with those IITians. Hope this video adds some values to your life. We are done today. We'll be come back very soon. Until then, goodbye and take care.